again. Good to see you. My name is Kathy and this is my makeup journey. Glad to have you. If you're new to my channel, great to see you. Today's video is all about the BirchBox for January. And before we begin, if you're new to my channel, great to have you. If you like this video, do a big thumbs up, and otherwise make sure to hit that subscribe button below and including that bell so that you'll be notified when new videos are available. So let's jump on board and see what we have in the BirchBox for January. So you get, if you're not aware of it, is a subscription service for beauty products. You get between 4 and 5 deluxe size versions of makeup, hair, it could be lipstick, it could be whatever you want. So they surprise you every month. So let's jump on board and let's see what we got for this month. First off, we got is 12 benefits. Look at this, it's a nice sample size and it is an aerosol. And what you do is you have your hair that's nice and clean, you spritz it in, you leave it in, give it a little toss, and it leaves a nice fresh scent. This one is a light floral and I love this, and it's a great treatment for your hair, really nice. Then I have from BirchBox Rosso Caro, which is a blow dry for your hair, and it gives you that really good styling and perfection. It's a heat protectant and it's a cream. So it has zero sulfates, paraffins, or silicons, if you're wondering about that. What you do is you wash your hair, you make sure it's damp, you put a little on your fingers, and then just rub it in and then blow dry as usual. And it has it's infused with rosehip, argan, and coconut oil. So that's really nice and really, really good for your hair, especially for those treatments, especially during the winter months. Then next up we have is from Vicente. Look at this. It is a new, it is a skin amplifier and moisturizer. And what it does, it amplifies the benefits of an exfoliator, but it has aloe, avocado, and vitamins in it. So when you just put it on your skin like this, it's a nice little cream, and look how it just goes on so smoothly. Really nice. And it's a moisturizer, so you can dab it under your eyes. Really nice. I really like that one. And then next up I have is from La Quique Campec. It is a brightener and a brush in the same, and it's a cream, and you go put it on very lightly, and you just put a small dab on it right here, and then just put it on your skin, and look at that. Really nice. It's very soft, like a nice little peachy color, really pretty, and just a little light dab goes a long, long way. And this is a nice little pocket thing for your purse, and just throw it in your makeup bag. I think it'd be really awesome. And the last thing, which every month we get is in a BirchBox, is you get a perfume or some kind of eau de toilette. This one is called Clean, and it's from the Reserve, and it's Blonde Rose. Really nice. And let's take it out of the little packaging. And this one, which I love, I hate those little bottles that have the little top, because I always spill them in my purse and all that. So I like it when it's a little bit of a little spritzer. This one, let's give it a peek. Ooh, smells very nice. It smells like jasmine and rose petals. That's going to be really nice for the springtime, or those, lovely evenings when you're with your special someone. So I'm really kind of, happy with this bag. But I want to tell you, this is my last review of the BirchBox, because I've decided that it's not really been meeting up to my standards for the past several months. So I'm going to give it a wait for a while and then maybe start up maybe in about 6 months and see if they update their products and get better reviews. So I hope you liked this video. Please give a big thumbs up, and see you next time. Have a great one.